Tidio AI Review. Watch before using. Most people think chatbots annoy customers, but you won't believe what happens next when AI answers instantly. Tidio is an AI-powered live chat and chatbot platform for websites. It automates customer support and sales conversations. The surprising truth is that Tidio can answer common questions instantly and to increase conversion rates. Most people get this wrong. They fear bots will feel robotic. Tidio allows custom scripts that sound human. Tidio is best for online stores and service businesses. The surprising truth is that faster replies mean more sales. Subscribe for more honest AI software reviews that grow your business.